In this video, we'll explore how to paste a Genie from the standard libraries. First, on Plant SCADA Studio, we will open the equipment editor to create an equipment instance of the equipment type drive that we will call P1 on our project. We will also set the cluster to cluster 1, the tag prefix to P1, and the I/O device to internal. When done, we need to update the equipment by going to the File Update Equipment menu. After closing the equipment editor, we will find on the equipment model, list the one we have created. Then, on the visualization activity, we will open the test page. By clicking on the Genie object, we access the Pumps library and select the Pump East Genie. This opens the Genie Pump dialog box. We then choose the tag P1 Start CMD from the drop-down list and click OK. We also require Genie to switch the P1 Start CMD tag. For this, we open the Genie tool again, and from the Key Entry library, we select the On-Off Toggle to Genie. On the drop-down list, we select the tag P1 Start CMD and click OK. After that, we save the page. Following this, we compile and execute the project. During runtime, when accessing the test page where the objects have been added, you can toggle the value of the P1 Start CMD tag by clicking on the On-Off Toggle to Genie. This action will demonstrate how the animation responds to the change in value.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.